I'm trying to find a natural alternative to the pool noodles. So I tried these plant-based sponges, all eco-friendly and that. And they started out alright, just like my other microgreens. But after about a week, the plant started to die. And even the ones I direct sowed, only a couple of those germinated. I'm also testing loofah, but we'll talk about that later. These sponges stayed way too wet. They weren't sitting directly on the water. And some started growing as red mold. And a lot of other ones were covered with green algae. And the white part of the sponge just started to disintegrate really fast. This was like less than 2 weeks. So I've got some more. I washed them out, let them sit out here in the sun. Let me know if you guys think I should try something else. Or just call this a bust. Let the lizards have it. And try something else like the loofah. Alright, keep on growing.